How to change account password in cPanel. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. Scroll down to the Preferences section and click Password and Security. Enter your old password. Now you can fill in your new password either manually or generate it automatically. To generate it automatically, click Password Generator. Now copy and save the generated password carefully. It will be the new password. Now click to use the generated password. It automatically fills the column of the new password. Click the Change Your Password Now button. That's it! We have successfully changed the password. Now we can log in with the newly generated password. Thank you for watching.